Good morning, students. Today, our topic is components of physical fitness. After the finishing last topic, lifestyle, importance of lifestyle, now we have to take component of physical fitness. Component of physical fitness have 5. They are directly or indirectly related to each other. Now we have to discuss. You see the chart of component of physical fitness. First is strength, second endurance, third speed, fourth flexibility, and fifth coordinative ability. Okay, now we have to discuss one by one. First topic is strength. Okay, now we have to take this topic and discuss about ability to overcome resistance. That is means ability to overcome. Those you have to take this type of ability observed in strength. In simple word, it is an ability of the muscles to overcome resistance. Same thing is that strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscles can extend. Muscle can extend. Obviously, if you are doing some exercise, then muscle can extend. It is an essential component for games and sports. Different games require different level and type of strength. It can be improved through systematic training. If you are improving some physical structure, then you have to take some systematic training. Okay. Next is type of strength. We have to discuss about the strength. Strength have two types, dynamic and static. Okay. First is dynamic and static. Static strength, it is also known as isometric. That is very important. Everybody learn the name static strength. Isometric strength, it is the ability to act against the resistance. This type of strength is act against the resistance from single or one position. For example, arm wrestling. If next is power lifting, another is pushing wall. Arm wrestling means two opponent uh, doing some wrestling event, then he work with his arm. And power lifting, you have to take something is power, and another your gravitational force work opposite side. Same thing is pushing wall. You push the ball and you have the result is wall is not moving here and there. After that your muscles is improving, your exercise is doing very well. Next is dynamic strength. It is also known as isotonic strength. It is related to movement. First one is not related to movement, second is related to movement. Thus we can say that it is required for movement. In dynamic strength, movement is very necessary in this strength. It is of three type. Dynamic strength have three type. One is maximal strength. Maximal strength is the ability to act against the maximum resistance. It is act against the maximum resistance. It is the quality of muscles to contact forcefully. It is quickest possible time. It is also known as power. Okay. Next is explosive strength. In explosive strength, it is the ability to overcome resistance with a high speed A fact is the combination of strength and speed. In simple words, it is the ability of muscles to perform forceful movement at quickest possible time. Okay, and now you correct, dynamic strength only have two type, not three type. This is some mistake. Okay, static strength, the two part, dynamic and static. After then dynamic have two part, maximum and explosive strength. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, students.